Metal stocks shine amid copper rally, Nifty targets record highs despite market volatility. In yesterday's uninspiring session at Dalal Street, Nifty Metal Index was seen grabbing all the headlines. Metal stocks like Hindustan Zinc, Hindalco, Hind Copper, and Vedanta are getting their moment in the sun as copper prices have risen towards $5.15 per pound after Chinese government announced it would purchase unsold housing inventory to limit defaults for distressed developers. In yesterday's trade, Hindustan Zinc jumped 20% as the metals rally continued. Metals are in demand amid magnified speculative bets for copper consumption due to its key role in electrification, from grid-scale energy storage to data center infrastructure. The other good news this Wednesday morning is that WTI crude oil prices have fallen towards $78 per barrel due to concerns over continued high interest rates by the Federal Reserve, which has led to a pessimistic outlook on global growth and energy demand. Oil prices also faces bearish fundamentals such as sluggish growth in China and abundant supplies from non-OPEC nations. Amid falling oil prices, we suspect PSU OMCs and airline stocks could be key beneficiaries. Balkrishna Industries is in limelight on backdrop of blockbuster Q4 numbers. Yesterday, Bharat Electronics gained plus 6% after its Q4 number beat street estimates. IRFC too rallied plus 3% after its Q4 net profit jumped plus 33% YoY. Bottom line, so, all bullish eyes on Nifty capturing its all-time high at 22,795 mark and then aggressive interment targets at psychological 23,000 mark. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1875 crores. DIIs were net buyers to the tune of Rs 3549 crores. Sentiments for the day is likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating continuation of rebound play. FNOMA month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 23,000 zone. India VIX has spiked towards 21.81 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th May, has spiked towards 1.10 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th May, is at 0.75. Nifty outlook, Nifty is likely to grind higher. Nifty, CMP 22529. Intraday support on Nifty is placed at 22,387 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at Nifty's all-time high at 22,795 mark. Range for the day is between 22,450 and 22700. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 48048. Intraday make or break support is placed at 47,757 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance for the day is at 48,551 mark. Range for the day is between 47,700 and 48700. Bias for the day is positive. Strictly speaking, Nifty's near-term outlook remains optimistic despite record FPI outflows and spiking India VIX. India VIX, or Volatility Index, which measures the market's expectation of volatility in the next 30 days, has shot higher above 21 levels, indicating heightened volatility ahead. In today's trade, anxiety is likely to prevail as traders will focus on the FOMC minutes for the May policy meeting, which shall trickle in late this evening IST.